4.
You think you're so cool.
Three.
Air pollution is a common threat to health. This is where the PureMe mask comes into play for effective protection. PureMe is a true airtight respirator, like a gas mask. With a medical-grade silicone facepiece, it can be folded for easy storage. Once unfolded, there is plenty of space inside to breathe smoothly. The straps on PureMe, once put on, make an airtight seal. Combined with the facepiece, it will fit people of different face shapes. Additionally, it will cause no stress to your ears and can be put on and taken off easily. PureMe is built with minimal parts. With airflow design, air will go through the filter on one direction to extend filter life. As you exhale, air along with humidity and heat will exit through to keep it cool and dry. You will quickly find PureMe comfortable to wear all day. It is unrestrictive yet blocks out the majority of harmful particles. As the filter is placed inside a pod, PureMe is splash-proof that you can wear during a shower. It will protect you against air pollution, allergens, dust, dirt, and more. With its groundbreaking design, it is both lighter and smaller than respirators with comparable protection. For example, PureMe weighs only 1/3 of the other respirator. The filter of PureMe is modular. This means you can swap out for a new filter or upgrade to a P100 filter cartridge in just seconds. Alternatively, you can strip it down just as easily for a complete clean. The whole respirator can be machine washed. The silicone facepiece can even be washed in a hot water cycle for extra sanitation if required. With a detachable extension strap, you can wear the mask over your neck when it is not needed. PureMe, the gas mask that you can wear every day.
Two.
The world is moving fast. We live in an age where we're always connected and information is overflowing. Sometimes, this can be overwhelming and keep you from reaching your maximum potential. Introducing the Octify Specs, the first smart glasses that can track and improve your productivity. From the Specs companion app, you can select which activities you'd like to focus on, so that Specs can help you eliminate time-consuming distractions. Specs use patent-pending computer vision algorithms and pulse oximetry to track your activities throughout the day and help you identify bottlenecks in your focus. And after you've completed your session of focused work, you can review a summary of your productivity levels to pinpoint exactly where you can boost your efficiency. Not only do specs help you with your career goals, but they can also motivate you to reach your untapped potential in personal development using proven methods in psychology. Take part in clinically tested mindfulness training sessions to evaluate how you think your time would be best spent, and put it towards the hobbies you forget to enjoy. Or maybe you have an idea that you need to get out, but social media is draining your creativity. When your attention drifts, Specs will alert you with an LED and audible cue so you can redirect your efforts to the task at hand. Listen to high-quality music with integrated bone-conducting sound transducers. With nothing in or around your ears, you can stay fully aware. Unlike traditional speakers that emit sound through the air, bone conduction transducers allow you to stream audio that only you can hear. With a built-in accelerometer and pulse oximeter, Specs can automatically detect when you're active so you won't miss a second of your workout. Track steps taken, heart rate, and even calories burned with nothing but your glasses. Specs can even act as a fully functioning headset. You can take calls, speak to your virtual assistant, and get directions on the go. Specs are made for both prescription and non-prescription wearers. Their minimalist design makes them completely indistinguishable from regular frames so they can seamlessly integrate into your life. Optify Specs help you get the most out of your day so you can focus on the things that really matter.
As engineering students, we saw a lot of our peers struggling with stress and procrastination. Over 25% of students rely on harmful stimulants to focus better, and it's not because they lack the intelligence, knowledge, or even work ethic to be successful in their field. It's because there's so many distractions in this day and age that hold us back from reaching our full potential. We built Specs to give you the ability to overcome these challenges so that you can exceed all of your personal goals.
We've developed novel machine learning models that can accurately track and detect a wide variety of activities throughout the day using an image sensor and a pulse oximeter. Specs use these sensors to extract data from your environment and your physiology, which makes it the most versatile focus tracking method on the market. This data is securely transmitted over Bluetooth to your phone, where you'll be able to use it to measure and improve your progress. And because privacy is of the utmost importance, we've specifically designed our system architecture so that all of the data processing is done on your phone's hardware. We don't use any external servers, so your sensor data never actually leaves your device and is discarded immediately after processing. This way, it would be impossible for anyone to access your information without physically breaking into your phone and decrypting it.
We've validated our methodology with expert neuroscientists and psychiatrists. Specs help you improve self-awareness by giving you a breakdown of how you spent your time throughout the day and providing personalized insights to help you mitigate distractions. Not only that, but Specs also give you real-time feedback to help you manage stress, boost productivity, and stay focused. Mindfulness training is one of the top clinically proven methods in treating stress and addictive behaviors. We've taken mindfulness training and applied it to your everyday life to help you overcome the urges that lead to procrastination and distractions. Specs also utilize other proven techniques such as positive reinforcement, gamification, and mental conditioning so that you can be sure that you're always spending time on the things that you value the most.
One of the main reasons why smart glasses haven't reached mass adoption yet is because they don't look like regular glasses. We spent the last year designing, redesigning, and rigorously testing our circuitry so that we could fit all of our sensors into an extremely compact package. As a result, we've been able to make Specs look completely indistinguishable from regular glasses frames.
Your time is extremely valuable. On average, people spend 5 to 6 hours on social media and TV every day. At minimum wage, that equates to over $10,000 per year.
Productivity means something different to everyone, and regardless of your background, interests, or aspirations, Specs are there to help you get the most out of your life.
One. We love shoes. We wear them for hours, sometimes even days. Isn't it great? Well, yes, until you take them off. Ooh. Does this smell familiar? Meet VTEX V20, the only waterproof nanotech shoe with triple odor protection and 20 amazing features. You'll feel like you're wearing new shoes every day. We are VTEX, the most advanced nanotech footwear company. Last year, we launched VTEX 12 features all-season waterproof shoes. It took Indiegogo by storm and raised over $1 million. Backers' reviews amazed us. This year, we've decided to make our best shoe ever even better. So we've created the VTEX V20, a waterproof shoe with triple odor protection and 19 other awesome features. But we'll get to that. First, let's talk about why other shoes stink. Did you know the reason for that is bacteria? The inside of your shoe is a breeding ground for bacteria. They feed off your sweat and reproduce, quickly creating a disgusting smell and making nasty things grow on your feet. Ugh. That's why we made the new VTEX V20 antibacterial with triple odor protective shields. To see how well VTEX blocks bacteria, here's a little comparison. Public toilet seat, 2,752 units of bacteria. Regular sneaker, 3,887 units of bacteria. VTEX, 0 units of bacteria. That's a trivia fact you will not forget so fast. How's this possible? First, we added silver-coated fibers to the VTEX V20 inner layer. Silver is used by NASA and healthcare facilities for its antibacterial properties. The silver destroys bacteria, fungus, and viruses, which prevents them from reproducing inside the shoe and causing bad odors. Another layer of odor protection is VTEX's patented nanotech fabric, which blocks 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. We also integrated a long-lasting deodorant to our fabric. To perfect the odor protection, the new cushiony bamboo insoles suck moisture and bad smell away while being super comfortable. Your VTEX V20 also comes with replaceable cooling insole covers. Their cooling technology absorbs and releases heat and moisture away, keeping your feet cool, dry, and fresh, even without wearing socks. Now let's dive into some other features. Do you have sweaty feet? VTEX is ultra breathable thanks to its patented nanotech temperature control membrane made of sweat-wicking tubes. They suck sweat away while letting air flow inside, keeping your feet cozy, fresh, and dry. Talking about staying dry, VTEX is 100% waterproof, stain-proof, and heat-resistant for up to 200 degrees Celsius. And they're also cold-resistant for up to minus 20 degrees Celsius. They're ultra-lightweight, windproof, and also sandproof, making them the only pair of shoes you need to pack for any adventure. If you want to feel fresh like you're wearing new shoes every day, get VTEX V20 for all your life's adventures.